on the test as well, we were approaching the roundabout. There was actually the turn on the light on the left. We were going on left, but not on that turn.
Yes.
I put it on, switch it off, and then switch it on back on.
Yeah. Although you didn't fail your test there, it tells that person that's examining you, that's assessing you, that you're like, you understand what you're doing, you're just not timing what you're doing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
When you're ready, move off, please.
So this will be a close. I did it again.
You'd be marked down 4 times. You'll fail your test doing that. So what we're not doing there is preparing the car before you do everything else.
Today, literally, I woke up and forgot how
Sunday.
to drive.
That's a good angle start. That's not bad. Well done. I'm referring to not getting close to the car as you're going ahead.
I'm trying to angle the right way.
Do you think we contributed towards that as well? Because we were going over the line, what should we have done?
Move back on
And
behind it.
could we have gone behind the line? Could we have got closer to the cars on the left?
We could, but probably we needed to stop there.
There we are.
Okay.
Same scenario again where you should have stopped, but you decided on going through.
And go through.
When you're driving your own car, you'll end up clipping your door mirror. And you can only afford so many mirrors before it becomes very expensive, okay?
Yeah. That's kind.
And if you can find a safe place to pull up on the left, please. Fine, no problem. Move off when you're ready.